everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a PAL strip with 3 USB quick charging ports. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing a 6-port PAL strip from the company Poweradd. And this PAL strip actually has 3 USB ports, and it also has 3 AC ports that you can plug in 6 different devices through this PAL strip. The PAL strip itself comes with a 5-foot extension cable, and since this PAL strip comes with that 5-foot extension cable, you can plug in your devices and have the PAL strip at a distance away from all the devices and also the main power source that you connect to this PAL strip. So that's also really nice to see with this PAL strip. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time checking in or tuning in to this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you go down below and leave a like. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this PAL strip or get more information about this PAL strip, product information, also the link to purchase this PAL strip will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the product information that you guys may be interested in taking a look at. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see with the box, the construction of this box and presentation is fairly simple. We just got Poweradd on the top right here, and as I spin this box around, there's really no specifications or details on the box itself. So what I'm going to do now is actually move this box off to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. But as you guys can see on front of the box, like I said, it just says Poweradd, which is the company's name, and that's it for the box. So we're just gonna proceed with the unboxing part and actually unbox this box. So let me open up this flap, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with all the stuff that's inside this packaging. The only things that are included with this packaging is the PAL strip itself, which I'll show you guys so you guys can see we have our 5-foot extension cable attached to this PAL strip, and then right here we actually have our PAL strip itself. You guys can see we have 3 AC ports, I should say, and then we have 3 USB ports that are quick charge that you guys can use to quickly charge up your USB enabled devices. Let me actually put this PAL strip off to the side and we'll take a closer look at it here in a second. We do have some product service cards in here. This is actually our user manual, and you guys can use it to get a few specifications and details about this PAL strip, but I'm going to put it off to the side as well. And then we also have a product service card, so if you guys need any photo assistance with this company, that is their contact information. So I'm going to put everything off to the side and also move this box off to the side. But as you guys can see with my secondary camera angle, this is how the PAL strip looks like. It's a fairly simple package. You know, there's nothing really too crazy about the package or the unboxing. You know, you guys can see we do get an on and off switch and also reset button, so you guys can see I can flip it up and down just like that. We also, like I said, have 3 AC ports and 3 USB quick charging ports. And then the cable right here is 5 feet long. But that's honestly basically it for the overall package and also the overall design of this PAL strip. So all that's left to do now is actually move over to the testing and demonstration portion of the video where we actually test out this PAL strip. Alright, so now what we need to do is basically unwrap this PAL strip just like here. You guys can see they put like a zip tie thing that we can easily take off, and we basically need to plug this into our PAL source. Alright, I just plugged it in, so it's getting PAL. Let's see if I switch it on. There we go, you guys can see there's a light right there, meaning that this is getting powered up right now. I have a few different devices that we're going to be using to test out this PAL strip so I can show you guys it is indeed working. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to actually plug into this PAL strip is going to be this LED flashlight. It's a USB flashlight that you can use for videos and stuff. I'm going to plug it into one of these USB ports right here, and if we flip it on the back side, if we see that green light, which I can see, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a green light right here, meaning that it is getting charged up by this power strip. The next thing that we're going to plug in is going to be my phone. So let me get my phone's charger here, and we're going to plug this into one of the AC ports right here. And now let me take my phone, and if my phone powers on, that means it's getting charged. So let me plug it in. And you guys can see my phone screen turned on, meaning that this power strip is indeed charging up my phone. So I'm going to put that off to the side as well. The next thing that I want to show you guys is going to be my camera battery charger. So if it turns on, we'll see like some LED indications on the top. We're going to plug this into one of the USB ports again. I'll plug it in right here. You guys can see the lights have turned on, and it's actually charging up this battery. So everything's currently working so far that we've plugged in. The next thing that I want to do is test out one of my auto camera batteries. This is for like my DSLR photo camera. We're going to plug it into one of the AC ports as well, and I'll show you guys it being powered up. And you guys can see those are orange light, meaning that this is indeed charging up by this power strip. I'm going to test out this power strip with one more device. Even though we do have another AC port, I'm going to plug in these pair of headphones into this power strip, plug it into the USB port of this power strip, just like that. And if I see an LED light indication, which I can see right here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a faint red light right here, meaning that this power strip is indeed charging up all these devices that we have currently plugged in. So you guys can see we plugged in a lot of different devices with this power strip, and this power strip is able to charge up everything and power everything up all at the same time. You do get 6 ports. We only tested out 5. We tested out all 3 of the USB quick charging ports, and we tested out 2 of the 3 AC ports, but there is a total of 3 AC ports that you can use and utilize with this power strip. So that is going to conclude our test, and now we're going to actually proceed to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this Poweradd power strip? Well, this power strip does have a lot of significant uses that you can use with this power strip. What I do like about it is how compact and minimalistic it is, so you can easily take it on the go and use it when traveling abroad or traveling or visiting people and stuff. Especially if you have a lot of things that you need to plug in, you know, this kind of power strip would do the trick easily, because look how small it is, look how easy it is to pack it up and take it on the go. So there's really a lot of versatility with this power strip. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any photo assistance with this product, that is the email address you guys can use to reach out to me. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this power strip or get more information about this power strip, product information, also the link to purchase this power strip will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the product information and specifications and details if you're wanting to take a look at that kind of information. But overall, I am really impressed with this power strip. You know, this power strip will come in handy for those who do plug in a lot of different devices like me. You know, I charge up a lot of batteries, I charge up a lot of things constantly with all these tech products I review. So having something like this around makes it really convenient for me to just plug and play and go and have all my things charged up in one convenient spot, and know that everything's being charged up quick as possible, but also is protected by a power strip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.